Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Thursday, December 2nd, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it'll be partly cloudy with a high of 79 degrees and a low of 44 degrees.
Today in history, in 1927, the new Ford Model A is introduced to the American public.
In the headlines, the Galapagos Island features some of the most beautiful creatures on the planet. Scuba divers visit from all over the world to view the greatest show on Earth. A variety of marine animals from hammerhead sharks to the giant eagle ray. These animals have evolved an ability to detect the electrical impulses of small fish and crustaceans through thousands of nerve cells located in their wings and around their heads.
They can also sense small changes in the water temperature and pressure, commonly seen alone. These rays are unique in appearance, with their spotted back and flat nose similar to a duck's bill.
Today's fun fact is the first elf didn't make any presents.
Wait, that can't be true. No, that can't be true. Now for the word of the day. Today's word of the day is gratifying. Definition: giving pleasure or satisfaction. The word is used in a sentence. The waiter's attitude is very gratifying.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Carter, what does a gingerbread man put in his bed?
I don't know.
A cookie sheet.
Let's do Would You Rather. If you participate, don't shout out. Number one. Would you rather go ice skating or have a snowball fight?
Snowball fight.
Number 2. Would you rather have water powers or fire powers?
Fire powers.
Number 3. Would you rather have a Christmas tree or only elves?
Only elves.
Christmas tree. Number 4. Would you rather see Santa or his reindeer?
Reindeer.
Number 5. Would you rather have snow or ice for the whole month?
Snow.
Snow.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Carter.
And I'm Dexton.
That's Larry and that's Fiona.
Where's Twinkle?
Until next time. Fly high, Falcons.
Falcons.
Bum, 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 bum. See you next time.